When most people think about Alabama barbecue, probably the first thing that comes to mind is chicken with white sauce. I'm here to make an argument that there is an equally as important style of barbecue in the state. That is hot and fast spare ribs. We're here in Northport, Alabama today at Archibalds BBQ to try some of the best hot and fast spare ribs in this state. Hot and fast ribs. Yum. Full spares, cooked over direct heat. Archibalds has been around for decades. It is literally a little shack behind a house. The family just decided to sell barbecue out of their house. And so it has been around forever, and they are, in my opinion, the best ribs in the state. Oh man. Oh, it's good. You can tell membrane's still on it. They are cooked really quick, but they are super tender. Layered in sauce. They paint the sauce on while they cook. Delicious. No napkins. You use the white bread. Clean your face. Here's their pork. It is a chopped pork, again, direct heat. Everything here is direct heat. They are literally throwing logs underneath this grate. It's as if they had a pit that they built a restaurant around. Let's give this a taste. Nothing fancy about the stuff. It's just really, really good. So it is down home, no frills, just solid barbecue. And at the end of your meal, you get a sauce-soaked piece of white bread. Delicious. And no video about hot and fast ribs in Alabama would be complete without mentioning Dreamland BBQ, located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. They are the originators of this style in the state. Opened in 1958. The original menu was strictly spare ribs and white bread with sauce. They've now expanded many years later to include the sides, but the ribs and the white bread is where it started. Thanks for watching. Consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. And with that being said, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.